Is your AEG fridge freezer alarm driving you crazy? Most often, the culprit is a simple fix. The alarm usually indicates a temperature issue. Start by checking the door seal. Over time, the rubber gasket can degrade, causing air leaks. Inspect it for cracks or warping. Clean it with mild soap and water. Next, try resetting the fridge by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. This can recalibrate the temperature sensors, which sometimes trigger false alarms. If you're still having problems, try manually defrosting the freezer as ice buildup can block sensors. Pressing the reset button, often behind the fridge, will clear error codes after defrosting. If these steps don't work, it might be time to look at the temperature sensors. If the basic troubleshooting steps fail, the temperature sensors themselves might be faulty. These sensors, called thermistors, monitor the internal temperature of the fridge. If they malfunction, they can falsely signal high temperatures and trigger the alarm. This schematic shows how a thermistor works in the sensor circuit. The thermistor changes resistance with temperature, which the circuit uses to monitor and control the fridge's cooling system. To replace a faulty sensor, first unplug the fridge and locate the sensor near the evaporator coils. Use a screwdriver to disconnect the wires and remove the old sensor. Then install the new sensor and reconnect the wires. This costs between $30 and $60 and requires only basic tools like a screwdriver. For newer AEG models with smart features from 2024 and later, check the Electrolux app for firmware updates. These updates often include sensor calibration improvements to reduce false alarms. This image shows the back interior of the refrigerator, where temperature sensors are typically located near the evaporator coils and cooling fan. If the fridge continues to alarm after these fixes, check your AEG user manual for specific error codes. Otherwise, contact a professional appliance repair technician. Remember that while DIY fixes can save money, incorrect repairs might void your warranty, especially for electronics beyond basic resets.